tip, Kramer. When you're calling a seller that you know is kind of a little intimidated, shy, etc., if they don't answer, instead of leaving a message, a lot of times the second call will prompt them because they'll be like, how long is this going to go? But it works on first contact or any contact, oftentimes.
Joshua Gaiman, and I flip houses right here in the Phoenix market. 100% of the deals that I do are wholesale transactions, and people are always asking me, Josh, how do you get deals like this? I'm going to show you step by step how I do this, how I acquire houses that are off market at a discount for less than they're worth and make a ton of money quickly flipping them to other buyers right in that very same market. Now guys, there's steps on marketing, there's steps on sales, there's steps on growing the business. All of this has allowed me to build a lifestyle that I can enjoy taking my kids on trips, my family on vacations, having an awesome house, cars, everything that I've wanted, the life of my dreams, and I want the same for you. So click the subscribe button, hit the little bell right here on YouTube so you get all the notifications and follow along with this journey. We're also on Instagram at highgross14 and I can't wait to connect with you.
It's like the same concept as, they haven't responded to 10 messages and you tell them like, please just let me know either way so I don't have to keep calling you, but just in a compressed time frame. Hi Joan, this is Josh Neiman. I spoke with you yesterday about your house on Earl and had made you the offer. We are in a super time crunch and I know you wanted to close quickly as well, which actually we both do, which kind of is almost like it's meant to be or something. But if you could please let me know as soon as possible. We're supposed to go over and look at that other house that I was telling you about yesterday. I guess it's in Goodyear. And I would prefer not to drive all the way out there. It's about an hour for me each direction, as long as we can agree on your property. So just let me know what you need. I know I told you 182,500. If you need another 500 or 1,000, I could even swing that. It would be well worth it for me than going out to Goodyear. So please just let me know. I'll be on my cell phone. Same number that I called you on before. Again, I will put in writing that there's no fees and that we're covering the charges for the title company and that it's as is. We're not going to ask you to do anything at all to the house. So I do apologize for my situation, but hopefully it can be a win-win for both of us since you want to sell something and I'm looking to buy something, and it's the location is just absolutely perfect for us. Thank you, Joan. I will talk to you hopefully very soon. Please call me or text me as soon as you can, and we'll go from there. Have a blessed day. Same number I'm calling you from. You can call or text. Thank you, Joan. Bye. Fucking hard sell, I say.